Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you find right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video. And if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and really enjoy, and I always want to make sure that you guys know about it as well, because I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive and I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell, and then you will be in the know. All right, today is a day that I got a box from the Boxycharm add-on sale that they had. And I went in specifically to look for a product from a brand that I got introduced to from Boxycharm. And if you're familiar at all with my channel, and if you're not, that's fine too. Hopefully you will become. My videos are more informative. I'm very interested to find out, and maybe it's because I'm a business owner too, that I love, and if you're not familiar with my business, it's called Improving Lifestyles. I'm in business with my brother. The thing that intrigues me the most is the About Us. I always love when we have the opportunity to get only one or two products that we can then dive in a little bit deeper than when we get a box filled with, 5 to 7 boxes. And when that happens, we read what they write for us. We, on the cards, we tell you the price, we swatch, and it's a great time. And I enjoy it a lot. But when I do products from like the add-ons or products that intrigue me, I like to go a little bit deeper and find out more about the brand and more about the product, because we have a little bit more time to do that. It takes a little more research on my end, but it's something that I'm always interested in for myself. And it seems that I'm growing on YouTube because you guys seem to be interested in this type of information as well. So I'm going to be sharing that with you guys. And the brand that we're going to be talking about today is the one that I got in the Boxycharm. The one that I got was the blush and highlight palette, which I'm going to show you it as well. This is from this brand called Kenia. I think it's pronounced Kenia. And the last name is Ontiveros Beauty. And this was the blush and shine kit. And you had a choice of a bunch of items to make your choice item. And this was the choice item that I made. But because I made this as a choice item, I couldn't get the second one. And what I'm loving that Boxycharm is doing is they're putting in the add-on section. So this way, if you really can't choose between the two, which is why my channel is called True Wants, I want to make sure that you guys know that you can add it on as well. It's still a fantastic price, because when I went on their website, this item was $42 and my price that I paid was $12. But with Boxycharm, your boxes are either 25 or 35. So when you can get, them in a box, it truly is a fantastic deal. But even for $12 to get a $42 item, for me, was still a good enough deal that I wanted to get it, because there was something about it that intrigued me. And when I placed this order, it was before I even received, I think, the item that I have in my hand right now. So I want to make sure to share that all with you. We'll do swatches, we'll do all that. But I want to give you a little bit of a background, because when I looked in the About Us, it really, really intrigued me. First of all, this brand, I didn't know. It is all cruelty-free and they don't test on any animals. He's saying that the vegan part, he says some of his lip glosses are, so you have to check on his website to see if you're vegan. A majority is, but there are some items that aren't. But the whole brand is cruelty-free. And this is his name that is on the product. And it's really intriguing what I was reading. And then I said, you know what, I should share this with you guys, because it took me for a loop. And maybe if you are of Mexican or Spanish heritage, or you might be more familiar with his name than I am, because supposedly he also has a show on TV and things like that. So let me read it all to you, because I knew nothing about this brand before I got introduced to it on Boxycharm. And I did have the opportunity to play with this one because it did come in a box and I really enjoyed it. So I couldn't wait to receive the bronzer and what do they call this one? The Set and Define kit. So I was really excited when this came in, and it gave me the time to do some research and share it with you. Okay, so like I said, this is his name. He was born in Mexico. He came to the United States with his mother when he was at the age of 1. And his passion for beauty and makeup started around the age of 14 when he decided to study acting and the runway. He remembered how much he enjoyed getting his makeup done and on all those events, and he always loved playing with his mother's makeup, of course without permission when he was younger. He said he always received his makeup artistry certification at the age of 18, and during his last year of high school is where he met his husband, whose name is Larry Hernandez, who is an amazing singer and also pursuing his musical career. They then started a family. They raised a couple of girls, and he said his life was very private until one day when his husband Larry's popularity went through the roof, and they started social media pages with his children, and they received a lot of support and affection from everybody. With all the encouragement of his husband and his daughters, he decided to pursue his dream and launched this brand of makeup. So he wanted to create products that were easy to use and make people feel beautiful, and so on and so forth. He also has a show that's called Larry Mania. It's an American reality television show that premiered in October of 2012 on Universo, which is a channel, I think it's a Spanish-speaking channel. It says their series will follow the Mexican-American singer Larry Hernandez, which is his husband, and he navigates through his musical career and the juggles of family life. They got renewed on May of 2019 with Telemundo, and announced that the series will go on to its 8th season, and so on and so forth. So it's really intriguing how his life took all these turns, but his passion from when he was a kid brought him back. And through being able to have fulfilled all his other dreams, he is now able to now fulfill this one, which is what I think is fantastic. So I wanted to share that with you guys because I thought, wow, what a story. Okay, so the first item that we're going to go through and we're going to swatch is the one that I just got, and I'm so excited to open this up. It is called the Set and Define Kit. Like I said, on their website, and if you haven't seen their website, it is the name of the product. It is stunning. The graphics are beautiful. The information is really well placed. I was on it for a while because I couldn't get over how beautiful it was. So what he said is that he created a natural looking contour while adding balance, dimension, and light reflection with their Set and Define kit, which is this one here. They're saying it is a luxurious range of silky powders that blend seamlessly into the skin to define and enhance your features with rich buildable payoff and long wearing finish. They're saying the kit that we got in Boxycharm doesn't come with a mirror, but the one on their website does. That, like I said, has a value of $42. And this is a vegan, paraben-free, oil-free, and cruelty-free. And it comes with this sleeve. And I'm going to try to get up close to the camera because the outside of this package is the same as on the white one, but on the white one it doesn't show up as much. It's that fantastic animal print embossed within. It is just it's so luxurious looking, and it feels luxurious. And when I had the opportunity to use the blushes, which I'm going to show, and the highlighters, they go on beautifully too. It has a card, the safety shield on it here, which is a heavier one, which is usually only in higher end brands, and his logo and everything is on there, if you can see it there. So really, really pretty. So like I said, there's no mirror, so we don't have to worry. And then this here are the 6 shades that are on here, and I'm going to swatch them all for you guys, and I'll tell you what the names are as I'm doing it. So the first one here we're going to start is the whiter one. They feel exactly, they feel like silk. Really, really beautiful. Those are the first 3 colors here. It is mattifying, set, and highlight. So it tells you exactly what it's supposed to do. So we got mattify, set, and highlight, and they go on beautifully too. That's what they look like here. So like I said, with Boxycharm, it is fantastic. I mean, he is introducing me to lines that I never even had the opportunity to know about, let alone enjoy. So the next 3 that we're going to do here is the contour, the dark contour, and a bronzer. So this palette is for everybody. So you will definitely find a color in here. And if there is ever a color, for me anyways, this is how I use it. When we get palettes, anything that's a little bit too dark, I end up using it as eyeshadows. And like I said, I love face palettes because I literally use everything in there because makeup is to play, and that's what I enjoy it. So once again, that is this palette here. And I just want to quickly swatch the other one in case you guys haven't seen it. This is what this one looks like here. The one that I got is called Blush and Shine Kit. And as you can see, the packaging is just as beautiful, but it doesn't show up as much on the camera as the other one, which is the colors that I love. Again, the safety shield, and these are the colors here. And I'm just going to do a quick swatch so you guys can see. So we have, and you can see that I've been using it because you see all my finger marks in here. Lights, camera, shine. And I found they go on just as nicely with your fingers. If you're not getting the color, the heat from your fingers sometimes acts almost like when you spray to get your color to be more pronounced. The heat from your fingertips can do the same thing. And then the last three is called Lezola, XOXO, and Gemini, and those are the colors there. And I'll do them right above here. And that's what they look like there. So, like I said, I am so impressed with this. I'm so excited that I had the opportunity in Addons to add the other one because I really couldn't choose between the two. I took the blush one first because to me, blush, I have so many bronzers and contours, but blush for me just adds that peak of color. I never leave without bronzer or contour and mattifiers. I do that all the time, but I always seem to go back, even if it's on the no makeup days, I always need that little hint of blush, but I never not contour my face with bronzer because I like having a more dimensional on my face. So that's what we did here. So once again, this is the $42 one that is called Set and Define, and the other one is called Blush and Shine Kit. So I am, like I said, really impressed with Boxycharm. I think they have introduced us to, anyways, for me, so many brands that I had no idea about, and him giving the opportunity to some brands that maybe we wouldn't know about, but they came through his office and he said, you know what, this is really, really good. And I think it gives every brand a little bit of a spotlight because we have the opportunity to get them at prices that are so attainable that we get to try higher end brands at affordable prices and be able to add it to our collection. So once again, I'm enjoying the subscription boxes so much, but I'm also enjoying in the subscription boxes that they're having add-ons and these pop-up sales. Sometimes I get disappointed because I don't get everything that I want, but it just means that the next round, there might be something that money will go towards, and that's how I look at it with this. So I feel very blessed that I even have the opportunity to share it with you as well as get it, because living here in the United States, we have access to so much, and it has just been so enjoyable for me to be able to share it with you. So once again, everybody, I enjoy so much that you take any time out of your day to spend it with me here. Oh, also I have, if you haven't had the opportunity yet to watch, I do have a live giveaway that's going on a little longer than my normal when I do a giveaway with the brand called Juno&Co, because they sent me a Moonshine. If you haven't seen that yet, I will try to link the video in the description box down below. Because it is one that you don't want to miss out. It is fantastic, and you'll have an opportunity to get the Moonshine cream, which is one that I enjoy as much a lot as well. All right, so once again, everybody, continue to stay safe and stay well, and I'll see you all in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.